What if I told you that you could make money while watching YouTube videos? Imagine earning $2 per minute with a job that only requires you to watch videos, and it's completely free. With this new free worldwide website I'm going to show you, you can potentially earn thousands of dollars just by watching YouTube videos. Anyone who claims that watching YouTube videos is a waste of time should just sit back and relax. All you have to do now is create an account with this new and completely free website. Go to YouTube and watch some movies. That's it! It's easy and fast money. Isn't it fantastic? Hello, I am your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get this money making started. To begin, you'll need a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, go to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. After that, select Sign In, then create an account for myself. Choose your first name, last name, email address, password, and then click Next. Now, I'll show you how to make money utilizing this platform later on to assist you in earning a lot of money and obtaining the best outcomes. So, follow through with everything until the end. Next on your list of things to learn is how you will receive your pay. Numerous people fall for the trap of going directly to these websites that pay them to complete various jobs before actually beginning to generate money on these websites. Then, ending up not knowing how to get their income when the time comes. There is no need to be concerned. We have your backs. PayPal is one of the most convenient ways to get your money and withdraw it because it is totally free. It may be used all across the world and will quickly and easily pay you back. So please go to paypal.com, click the sign up button over there, then we'll start. Now visit picoworkers.com, a website that connects business owners and freelancers from all over the world with simple, affordable tasks. This is the webpage where we make money through different ways with Pico Workers. You might be working full-time or just looking for a side hustle, or you may simply want to make some extra money on the internet by watching videos. This is an easy sideline to do in your free time and without any particular skills or expertise, since all you have to do is press play on the video and collect your money. It's also possible that you could be a part of it. So if you go to picoworkers.com and click on Freelance and Earn, you'll be taken to this page, where you may see how much money people are making every day and even each hour using the site. These are the freelancers earning using this website. See the most recent accomplishments of Pico Workers here. As you can see, we have current completed tasks. Sri Lankans, Pakistanis, Vietnamese, Bangladeshi citizens, Indonesians, Kenyans, and many more nationals work for us. People are making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every day using this website. We have folks earning a few bucks, $100, $500, and even $1,000 here on our Freelance and Earn page. On the Freelance and Earn category, you'll notice that the most recent requested withdrawals have been listed. All of the proof of payments may be seen right here on this website. We have several different payment systems, and this is how much money people have cashed out. You'll notice that this isn't something that will make you rich, so don't expect to become wealthy from it. This is simply a side hustle you can do to increase your current income. Now that you're at the Freelance and Earn section, I want you to click here and register for a free account so that you may start earning money. Enter your true name, a working email address, a username, a password, and the nation you are from. This is the entire list of nations. As you can see, they welcome people globally, so just select the country you're from. After completing the entire sign-up process, you can now start earning money online, and I'll show you how to do so once you've successfully created an account. You can now log into your new freelance account, which will feature this similar design. You'll notice that different jobs are listed here, displaying various salaries. On the right side of the screen, you'll see how much money you may expect to earn. Now, move the category section to video marketing and click apply now. What that will accomplish is display you several employment opportunities with thousands of vacancies available. You may do them and start earning money from them. You'll be paid to view videos. Imagine if all you have to do is click on a YouTube video and watch it at your leisure at home. You may watch as much as you choose, whenever and wherever you want, while still being compensated for doing so. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any thoughts, ideas, and other recommendations, leave them in the comment section below. So, how does it work? Simply click on any job that appears here. Because this is a new account, you'll need to submit some personal information. On the left side of the screen, type your date of birth, next, type your city, and lastly, fill in the blanks with your security question and then answer. Then save it. Once you've watched the video, you can see how much you'll be paid. What is expected of workers is what you'll do. Firstly, you must visit youtube.com and conduct a search using the specified keyword. You may simply type it in instead of copying it. Find the video that contains this image. Do not use any search filters, such as newly uploaded or any other, as you won't be paid for doing so. The video must be watched for at least 9 minutes in order to get paid. Do not skip it or you will not be paid. The key is to simply mute the video and leave it playing so you don't have to watch the full thing. You can still earn money online by doing this. You also must like the video, so go on and tap on the like button. And that's all there is to it. It's that straightforward. You may allow those videos to play in the background while you work, and they will still count towards your goals. Pico Workers is free, however, because there won't be many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos, you may also apply to other listed jobs on the website. Even total beginners can complete them because they are so simple. On this microjobs website, clients will pay you to like their Facebook postings, and doing so literally only requires one button click. By only registering for a free platform, you will be paid for it. If you want to start an online side hustle, spend your earnings from Pico Workers on something you believe will increase in value over time. This way, they hire individuals to join different platforms where all you have to do is provide an email address and last name, and then you'll be paid. You are genuinely capable of carrying out as many professions as you choose, and there are literally thousands of them on Pico Workers. These tasks can be easily done in a few hours while you sit still, and the money will swiftly accrue. So what are you waiting for? If you're interested on my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description box below. As always, it has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your cash flow girl. See you in the next one.